Hi my beauties, welcome to my channel. So I'm just gonna jump straight into today's tutorial. As you can see, I'm priming my face using my Rimmel Stay Matte primer, and I'm also gonna go ahead and draw my brows using my Rimmel brow pencil, and the color that I'm using is dark brown, and I'm also gonna use my black brown as well. So I use these two colors for my brows, and it's pretty much does a good job. So I also make sure to brush through my brows to give me the natural stroke brows that I want. Alright, I'm gonna clean up my brows using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and this is in the color Warm Honey, and this is a little bit lighter than my skin tone, but I really do like it like that. And I'm gonna go in with a lower shade for the front brows as well. So guys, it takes me a long time to finish my brows, and I made sure to put the steps that I go through when doing the brows, and I wanted you guys to see how I do my brows. That's why I made sure to put everything in there for you guys. So as you can see, I'm blending the concealer, and I'm also gonna brush through the brows again with a tinted brow gel, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeshadow. So I'm gonna use my Morphe palette, and I'm gonna use that color as my transitioning color. Guys, for my eyeshadow I used 3 palettes, and I used Morphe palette, my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I also used my color pop, which is Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and then I added in my Gilaru eyeshadow, which is the red color. I'm gonna look it up. Everything that I'll be using in this video will be listed in the info section, so if you're interested you can just check it out. But I hardly use new things, so yeah, if you watch my makeup tutorials, you know I use one way stuff, so you get used to my stuff. So yes, and that is all I did for this look. I didn't use too much colors. As you can see, I showed all the colors that I used, and I'm also using my Urban Decay HD eye primer to cut my crease. And then on top of the crease, I'm just gonna use the Gilaru eyeshadow, which is the red color that gave me the red effect. So guys, I'm gonna use my Tatis pencil, and I got this pencil from Sephora. I've almost run out of it, so I have to get a new pencil. So I'm using that as my eyeliner, and I really do love this eyeliner, guys. Like, it's really organic, so I like that. I have a sensitive eye, so yeah. And the lashes that I'm using is from Betty's Beauty Lashes. I'm gonna leave the link in the info section, so if you're interested in purchasing these lashes, check it out. So I'm also going in with my Rimmel primer again, because I have oily skin, and you know, I thought I needed more primer just to give me the matte look that I'm going for. So yeah, right now I'm applying my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. And guys, I love applying foundation with brush. Now I got this brush from CVS and I love it, so I have been using this brush to apply my foundation. I love it so much. So I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I'm gonna just use that underneath my eyes, my nose, my chin. I'm just highlighting those places in my forehead. Hi guys, so to contour my face, I'm using my Fenty matchstick, and I'm just defining my face. My face needs some definition because I've gained so much weight on my face. So yes, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend everything. I mean, well blended. So yeah. So I'm gonna set my face using my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I'm just setting underneath my eyes, my forehead, my nose, and my chin. So yes, I really do love this powder as well. I've been using it for some time now, and I'm so much in love with it. On top, I'm gonna use my Naked Skin, and I'm also gonna blend that also into my skin, and that is gonna give me like a natural, because the powder the color that I'm using is the same as my skin tone, so it's gonna give me a natural tone. And also I'm using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder on top of the Maybelline Fit Me powder that I used, and this is gonna give me more highlights. So I'm going in with my CoverGirl cream bronzer as well, and this has been my favorite cream bronzer, guys. Like, I love this cream bronzer. Even if you don't contour and you use this cream bronzer, it's everything. So underneath my eyes, I'm using my Mary Kay white liner, and I'm also gonna use my black eyeshadow from my ColourPop palette, and I'm using that on my bottom lashes. For my lips, I'm using my Milani lip cream, and I was going for a red look, but later on I realized it wasn't, matching with the eyeshadow. I didn't really want to go for red/red, so I switched it up and I added a different lip cream, and it really did blend in like how I wanted it. So as I said earlier on, I'm gonna leave all the items that I'm using, all the product that I'm using in this video, I'm gonna leave it in the info section. So yeah, you can check it out. If you are interested in seeing the lip color that I'm using, you can check it out in the info section. So I'm highlighting my face using my Cali Bible palette from ColourPop. I bought that palette from ColourPop. I don't know if ColourPop still has it, but if you can find some at ColourPop, you can check eBay or Amazon as well. And I'm also going in with my Mary Kay bronzer. This is like a blush, not a bronzer. So as I said earlier on, I switched up the lipstick. Like, I added more lip color to it to give me a different tone. I was trying something to see if it's gonna work out, and I later on liked it. It's plumped my lips a lot, and I loved it. Alright guys, we've come to the end of the video. So yep, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Turn on your notification button and also thumbs up to this video. Thank you so much. Stay blessed, stay safe. Bye.